hair, and now we're going to style our pony first. And what we will need is we'll need the Volume Up by Osis. We will need a hard spray. We will need our flat brush. And that's basically it. So let's begin. I'm going to work from down to top. So I'm going to take each curl out and style each single curl. We don't have that many, so it should be fairly quickly. So you see how our curls look like? They're perfect, they're bouncy, they look amazing. Just bring it a little closer. So here it is. And now we're actually gonna style it, which is gonna look so awesome. Watch this. So each curl, we're gonna take the flat brush, brush it out. Brush out your curl. Okay, don't be shy. If you did this correctly, then you shouldn't lose your curl at all. Okay, brush it out. Don't be shy. We need to brush it out because we're trying to make big curls. Okay, so we brushed it out. Okay, oops. Done. Now we're gonna use the Volume Up. Okay, spray our curl. We're gonna use the bigger side of the brush, the bigger teeth, and put through the strand. Okay, and this is what's gonna happen. And we're gonna pull out each piece, just so. And we're going to use our hold spray and spray it. Especially we're gonna spray it in these sections right here, so this part holds. Okay, pull out your strand, secure your bottoms so nothing is hanging and doesn't look fuzzy. Pull it out. So this is how you have volume. You see? Big, big, big volume. Okay, moving to the next. Lower your head to the front a bit so I can show this part. Okay, the next curl. Okay, use your Volume Up. Sorry. Bigger teeth. Okay. Okay, pull out your strand, just so. Okay, and spray. Okay. This is what we have. Beautiful curls. Okay. Next. Okay, pull out your strand. Pull out your strand. Spray. Okay, pull out the rest of the strand. Okay, spray. Okay, nice and big volume. Okay, moving on to the next. Okay, Volume Up. Okay, pull out your strand. Spray. And spray. Okay. Spray. Bigger teeth. Pull out your strand and spray. Pin, just so it doesn't go anywhere. Okay, so our pony itself is done. Now we have to do our hair at the top of the hair. It looks so cool. Love it, love it, love it.